Hello, everyone. Welcome. Now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to a pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry, I'm going to bring you to our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box and words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Now today, let me bring you to FCS factory. FCS is the world leading company in injection molding machine and also provides smart manufacturing solutions. Today, I would like to welcome Mr. Ming Yi, the product manager of FCS. Hello, Ming Yi.
Hi.
Hello, Ming Yi, to visit the factory. Let's go.
Welcome for joining us today. My name is Ming Yi. I'm from FCS, playing as a product manager. Today, I'm going to bring you the opportunity to have a glimpse of intelligent factory. Please follow me. I show you how we build the intelligent factory in our site. Okay, here, this is our factory site. We are building an identical intelligent factory so that our customer, they can have a reality to know how the Industry 4.0 is working. In here is our production. We produce a medicine cap. Please have a closer look. Right now, we are producing this 12 cavity medicine cap for a cycle by using an all-electric machine. As you can see, during the process, all those parameters will be recorded and uploaded to our cloud. And later on, I will show you where we store the data and information and how do we analyze. Also, as you can see, during the process, every details are recorded. So all those peripheral machines, including the hopper, cooler, will be recorded as well. So please follow me. During the production, how do we minimize and maximize the efficiency is very important. We know the profit is very important. So we have a dashboard over here. By using the dashboard, everyone can have a better understanding how the production is working. So we know that the all-electric machine, 180 tons, they are producing the medicine cap. So it has been working for 8 hours. And you know that the average will be produced 2,486 per cycle. Although we knowing there is 55 minutes behind, but we would like to tell you that all those parameters, they are in the real time. So during the process, you will know how it's exactly working right now. So we know that there is some schedule behind. So we know that what is the next step, what is the action we should take to make sure we can catch up the schedule. For example, some alternative overtime job assigned. As well, during the process, we are recording down all those parameters, some good part or bad parts by using a smart device. So here, we have our partner, our colleague to help us. By using a smart device, just with a few clicks, all those information at the machine side will be uploaded and displayed on the dashboard. So this is how we increase the efficiency. So we will try to eliminate the paperwork. So everything will be in the real time. So imagine if your machine numbers goes up, you have a different factory site. So here I want to show you how we do some assign. Over here, this is our center. It's how we manage different factory. So let's come with me. Inside here, this is a future working space for a manager. So whenever there are different factories over the world, all those information will be gathered over here. Inside, they can see through all those displays and make sure every factory site has their OEE index in the better condition. Also, in here, we can have a flexible schedule on their working order. For example, here, every production, they are assigned according to the working order over here at the backstage. And also, the OEE index over here will be showing exactly how we work. So whenever there is some problem, manager over here, they can have a remote control and communicate directly with the factory side. So this is the future. Every management will based on the data, based on the fact, based on the information. So the next action can be taken instantly. So we can eliminate the working and the paperwork as well. So this is the brief introduction about our IMF 4.0. So later on, I'm going to show you the exactly industry, how they implement the technology. Please follow me. So we try to give you a better understanding. So in this showroom, you will see different product, different industry. In the previously, I had shown you the IMF 4.0, how it's working. And right now, I'm going to show you the exactly achievement being used by our customer. In here, we have our houseware. So right now, our customer, they are using this kind of technology system management in their factory. So they can have an easy calculation, how many material they buy in and how many parts they have produced. So they can calculate the profit rate. Also, in the automotive, we know this industry, for example, like headlamp, they have left and right side. So which means by using our system, we do have some customization. So when we get a working order from the system, they knowing how to differentiate the left headlamp or the right headlamp. So we provide this kind of service as well. So beside the automotive, we also involved in the 3C electronic, for example, IC tray. Now, IC tray is a production, they require a short cycle time and the quality rate is higher. So using our system, we can exactly knowing the real-time quality rate. So whenever there is some parameter that are slightly different with the standard, the system will tell you how to differentiate the bad parts. Also, in the food and beverage, which is a common commodity, we have a water filter over here. For the water filter right now in the south of Taiwan is one of our customer benchmark. They has been implement the Industry 4.0 for 3 years. So during this time, they've been knowing this kind of product, what they are exactly wasted during their production. For example, cycle time, the efficiency, also the availability of the machine. So because of these 3 index, they knowing their next action, what action should be taken to prevent any unnecessary waste. So here, I'm going to show you this is how we implement the technology to our customer side. So we are willing to share with you, and we believe together with FCS, with the IMF 4.0, we are able to help you to making your factory, your machine more efficiency. Yeah, and here for today, we are thank you for joining us.
Hi, Mimi. We have one question from Mr. Hussein. Do you mind share with us exactly the achievements from end user? What is the biggest changes after they were implemented the systems? Please, Mimi, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, host. And Mr. Hussein, thank you for the question. I would like to share with you some of our customers, they are using hybrid machine. So they keep respond to us, they have a problem during the morning shift. So with the implementation of the IMF 4.0 right now, our executive achievement is we able to extract the data, and then we compare the data information with the different time, and then we are exactly the data can tell you the difference. So this is the biggest improve whenever the customer they implement the system. They always has the data and the fact to tell them, okay, they might have some problem, and then we can go to the next step. So this is one of the achievement from feedback from our customer side.
And thank you, Hussein, for the question. We have another question from Christine. She would like to know, if I'm not using FCS injection molding machines, can I also install IMF 4.0 smart systems? And how do I start? Please, Mingy.
Okay, Christine. Okay, for your question, if your machine is not FCS, it doesn't matter. Actually, the most important is the concept. If you want to implement the IMF 4.0, the Industry 4.0, they might have some common knowledge you should know in advance. First thing, your machine has to be able to communicate. So we will run some simple examination where we may ask how old and how long you buy the machine, what year they produce. This is the first question. And then the second question, we might ask you to discuss with your supplier, your machine maker. You should ask them whether the machine protocol, the communication protocol is follow OPCUA or OPCDA. So we will ask you to run some double check. And once it's confirmed, if your machine is able to connect the data, exchange the data to the OPCUA or OPCDA, and then there will be no problem for you to implement the IMF 4.0. So it doesn't matter what brand you use. In here, you're able to get some service from us.
Anyone having other questions, please feel free to leave in chat box now. Or is there anything Mingy would like to share with us more?
Okay, let me share with you some of our achievements from our automotive industry. Okay, we just now from the presentation, you are knowing there are actually a lot of data have been recorded and uploaded. And now I'm going to share with you is the thing, how do we use the data? One of the achievement is we do an online inspection for the quality rates. The definition is very simple, which is we are checking the quality of the parts instantly and from time to time. So the machine will tell you whenever there is something changes to the quality. So because we know it during the process, all those data will be recorded. And then through our system, we will set up the upper limit and a lower limit. So when the data, they exceed the limits, so our system, we can differentiate, we can tell, okay, there might be something wrong to the production. And then they will do the automation categorize. So this is one of the things we have been using by our customer in their automotive industry. So I hope this kind of achievement, this kind of idea can help you have a more imagination whenever in the future you want to implement the system.
Other questions? If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's event. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition at DigitalGo is live during September 28th to October 28th. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for Factory In-House Live Show. Please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and ShoeTech.com.tw for more details. And if you're interested in FCS solutions, please make sure to visit FCS.com.tw for more services. Thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you, Mingy, for joining us. We would like to wish everyone healthy and happy, and see you soon next time in Taiwan. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.